Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to make a video about PowerPoint presentation, an introductory video on PowerPoint presentation. So this is my desktop, like you can see. I'll just go to the icon with a P and has PowerPoint down. Basically a PowerPoint presentation is just an an illustration of probably a speech someone is going to give about a certain topic, but basically highlighting the things the person is going to talk about, not necessarily paragraphs but points, and the person will use that presentation to explain further about the topic he or she is going to write about. So when I open my icon on the desktop, I can come to the blank page. Like you can see, these are like sort of like the designs you can have. I can just decide to choose a blank page and they'll give me the first, like what you can see on my screen. It's usually in form of slides, like presentations are usually in form of slides. So this is the first slide, like you can see on my screen. It has the title part. When you click on it, that's the title part, and this other part is for the subtitle. So if you probably like want to write about maybe your topic of interest is employment, and that is like the topic, and maybe the writer is me, I'm the writer, and I'm the writer, and I'm going to write about maybe maybe I'm a HEC student. So basically, I'm going to write about employment. I'm the writer and I'm a HEC student. So if I want to get another slide, I can just come to insert a new slide. Then I look at the kind of slide I want. This is the title slide. You have the title content. Maybe I want the title content. It will be my next slide. I come on the title part. I can put in maybe the causes of unemployment. The causes of unemployment. I list the causes here in the content part. Maybe my point is laziness. So if I want to get another slide, there are more slides that I can get to just come here to insert new slide. There's the section header slide, the two content. Maybe I have my title, some few things I want to write about it, and maybe I also have like an image. I can insert it there. There's also the comparison slide, the title only slide, the blank slide is also there. the content with caption, the picture with caption. Then you can also duplicate a selected slide. Like you can produce another slide of the same slide that you're having on your screen. Maybe like probably now this like the maybe like I want to have two slides of the same thing. I can do that. But then I was just showing you so I can decide to delete the slide. So you can also have slides from outline, reuse the slides, anything that you want. You can put pictures, you can insert pictures from your device, maybe like pictures you have within your computer or stock images, outlines. So you can do quite a number of things. You can add slide numbers in the slides. Maybe like on these two slides that I have, I can add date and time. I can add slide number. Just come there. I don't want a footer, but just in case I wanted it, I can also add it. Update automatically. Then you apply to all. As you can see, my slides are having the date here and the number. You can see this is slide 2. So you can have transitions and animations when you're using PowerPoint. You can have not like this one. You can see my content is moving like from it's using this push transition from down going up. Then you can use quite a number. You can have this. There are quite many. You can have this. Any of your choice. There are quite a number of them. You can even click here and there are more options. Then there are also these ones here. You can choose what you want. If you want to add animations, you can also come to animations. You click in the slide. You highlight it, then you highlight like what you want. Then you come to animations so that they can be like you want that one. It has been applied. Or yeah, maybe like you want to add it here, you can come. You highlight this. You come to animations. Maybe like I want it to fly in. It's flying in. You then if you want like to display your work, you can display it in slide form. You just come here. You come to slideshow from the beginning. Then you press S. You come to slideshow from the beginning. Employment, as you can see. That is my first slide. So my slides are done, then I press escape. But like you can see, they're not looking so nice. You can decide to add more designs to your slides so that they can look good. You come to design. There are various kinds of designs within. Can come here. This one is too plain. This one is nice, but This one is better. It can be applied to all slides, or you can come to format background. Then there's solid. You choose what you want, either solid or gradient, but me I want solid fill. Then I come to color. I choose any color of my choice, maybe this. You have to choose a color that matches with the kind of work that you're going to present also, because you might choose a black color and black might make your work not look presentable. Now let me give you an example. But see, since my things are like had already changed, you can see them. Like I had already made I had a design that I had already put in, so if I change the color it would match with. But you cannot see my points of laziness and the causes of unemployment. So that means black is not the kind of color I had to choose. So if I choose this one, you can see that my point can be seen. So after creating your PowerPoint presentation, you can come to File, so that you save it. Come to Save As, Browse, file name you can choose to save it as unemployment. Then folder, which is on the desktop, Helen. You open it and you save. Now I've saved my PowerPoint presentation. So that's how I use PowerPoint. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and you can also comment. Thank you.